Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of What and How channel. Today we are looking on installation of CODELITE in Linux. I am using Linux Mint Edition for the installation purpose. CODELITE is an open source cross-platform IDE, specialized in C++, Rust, Python, PHP, and JavaScript programming languages, which runs best on all major platforms. So without any delay, let's jump into installation steps. First of all, open a new terminal. Before installing CODELITE, we need to add the repository. To add the repository, type the command sudo add apt repository ppa ugenison/ppa. Command is provided in description. Type your password and press enter. Wait for the add repository to finish. Update the packages using the command sudo apt update. Now enter the installation command sudo apt get install CODELITE and press enter. Type Y and press enter to continue. Wait for the installation to complete. CODELITE is installed successfully. To check the installation is success, type the command CODELITE --v and press enter. The installed version of CODELITE will be displayed. Now to open the CODELITE IDE, go to menu and search CODELITE and click the CODELITE menu. CODELITE is now open. Complete the setup by clicking Next button in Setup Wizard. You can choose different profile that suits you, or keep the default and click Next button. Click Next and complete the setup by clicking Finish button. Now you can create new workspace or open an existing workspace and continue to work on CODELITE.